Read the text aloud to the children while they listen and read it silently along with you. I'm going to read it out for you. The bone and throat. A lazy wolf was living in a jungle near a pond. It was in search of food. One day he found a dead bull. Aha, what a luck! Now I can eat all I want. He began to eat the bull. A piece of bone got stuck in his throat. Ooh, the bone and throat hurts. The wolf went to the crane and begged, My dear crane, a bone has stuck in my throat. Please, if you pull it out with your long beak, I will give you a present. The crane agreed. It asked the wolf to look up with his mouth open. The crane then put its beak into the wolf's mouth and pulled out the bone. Oh, what a relief! The wolf sighed. Now, where is my present? Asked the crane. Is it not a present that you put your head into my mouth and got out alive? Said the ungrateful wolf and went away.